I have been largely conscious that I have not been very good at keeping up to date with my YouTubing adventures, and I've probably left a lot of people in the dark about what's going on. Oh God, we're doing the Tappets on the 2CV today because it's a nice sunny day, and I've been driving this thing around a lot. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of 2CVing. There we go. I've been doing a lot of 2CVing, and I plan on doing a lot more 2CVing. There is an improved camera angle for you. Yeah, these things are so easy to work on. It's an absolute dream. I love them. Right. So there's various different guides on what you should set your tappets to. Some people say 0.25, some people say 0.2. I'm going to go with 0.2. That's where I'm going with this one. Hold that, hold that. Nipped. Should that be torqued? Who knows? Oh, that's a dream. That should... Yeah, that will quieten her down a bit. Right, now let's turn it over and do some more tapping. To turn it over, we have to use the starting apparatus. There we go. Now, using that, I can turn the engine over. More required. This will be a very boring video for people to watch. We're also going to service the 2CV today, because why not? I have been literally daily driving this, and I love it. Love it to bits. Whoa. Come on. This is going to drop oil everywhere, but I'll clean it up afterwards. Don't judge. It's just chassis protection. That's what it is. Protecting that chassis. Oh, almost got lucky there. That one's almost open. See that one there? She's almost a little bit too tight. Tight like a tiger. Get a half decent seal. Slot her back on. Clean that up. Spread the old rust protection around. Lovely. And wind her back up. There's a pretty good how-to guide on resetting your tappets on a 2CV. So easy to work on. That really is the beauty of a 2CV. Like, with a decent owner's manual, you can do like any job on them without any issue. They're just nice to work on. Let's just make sure that I've got the right oil filter. Kim gave me an oil filter, and I haven't checked if it's the right one yet. I've just blindly gone into this on the assumption that it was right. Probably done a couple of 1,000 miles in it, and Kim said I should drop the oil and service it after about 1,000 miles, and I feel really bad that I haven't. Very much the lifeblood of a 2CV, oil. You've not got good oil, you've not got a good 2CV. Basically, that's how I feel about it. some sort of under tray under here, and I feel like I'm about to fill it with oil. I almost certainly am. Oh well, let's drain the oil out first. Yeet. Bit of oil on there. So, I'm just going to let that drain for a little bit now, and I'm going to go and get some new spark plugs for it, and then we'll fill it up with oil. What I'm going to do with this now is I'm going to fill it up with nice oil, flush it through, let it get up to temperature, then I'm going to drain it again, go from there. Well, I've had to do this in between customers, which is annoying, because I really dislike customers. However, we're going to clean all of this off, get rid of all this oil, and then we're going to fire it up and hope that it sounds beautiful. I had noticed that it was getting a little bit tappety, so fingers crossed, it's now not tappety. Put a new oil filter on, filled it with oil, I cleaned the spark plugs up and set the gaps, then I've just fired those back in. Let's go. I'm not an expert in these things, but I would say that that sounds bloody marvellous. I love this little thing. Done. My pads were always wonky.